Welcome to Compare to Win. The best air fryer pan is probably one of the most essential accessories for any Cuisinart air fryer owner looking to maintain optimal performance and cooking results, ensuring that your favorite crispy treats and perfectly roasted meals continue to come out flawlessly every single time, just as they did when your appliance was brand new, making it a crucial component for continued culinary success. Number 5. WMKGG Air Fryer Oven Liners Set. Introducing the WMKGG Air Fryer Oven Liner Set, designed to make your cooking easier and cleaner. This set offers a versatile solution for all your air frying needs. Crafted from high-quality, non-stick PTFE-coated fiberglass, these liners are safe for repeated use. They can withstand high temperatures without any unpleasant odors, ensuring a healthy cooking environment. Each package includes 3 distinct styles: mesh, perforated, and solid liners, each measuring 9 by 11 inches. You'll have plenty to meet all your daily cooking and replacement needs. The mesh liner is ideal for cooking smaller food items, preventing them from falling through. It also helps filter oil, making cleanup a breeze. The perforated liner ensures even air circulation for perfectly cooked food, while the solid liner protects your oven from spills and grime. Use them as liners, baking sheets, or grill mats. Cleanup is a snap with these dishwasher-safe liners. They eliminate messy air fryer cleanups entirely, allowing you to enjoy your meals without the hassle of scrubbing. What we like. This set offers 3 distinct liner styles: mesh, perforated, and solid, providing versatility for various cooking needs. If you enjoy experimenting with different types of food and want to keep your air fryer exceptionally clean, this is the perfect choice for you. It's ideal for those who want to avoid messy cleanups and expand their cooking possibilities. What people say. These work great, and I also use them for baking parchment paper. Great parchment liners for my Ninja air fryer flip. They're a little oversized for the basket and tray, but folding one edge about 1/2 inch makes them fit perfectly. I love that I don't have to rip or cut parchment anymore. They keep the air fryer much cleaner and save me so much scrubbing. These liners are non-stick, waterproof, and oil-proof. They handle the heat like champs and don't seem to affect the cooking or the taste of the food at all. The pre-cut size is perfect, no more awkwardly trying to fold or tear parchment paper to fit. They even have slightly rounded corners, which is a small detail, but one that makes them fit just right. Number 4. Cuisinart AMB-TOBCS Toaster Oven Baking Pan. Introducing the Cuisinart Toaster Oven Baking Pan, designed for your baking needs. Its durable construction ensures even heating for perfect results every time. Crafted with heavy-gauge aluminized steel, this pan provides superior heat distribution. Say goodbye to unevenly cooked food and hello to consistent perfection. Featuring a non-stick interior and exterior, releasing your baked goods is a breeze. Cleanup is just as simple, saving you valuable time in the kitchen. Measuring 11.2 by 10.7 by 0.8 inches, it's designed to fit most toaster ovens. Please measure your oven's interior before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. For ultimate convenience, this baking pan is completely dishwasher safe. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious creations. What we like. Constructed with heavy-gauge aluminized steel, this pan ensures even heat distribution for perfectly cooked food every time. Its non-stick interior and exterior make release and cleanup incredibly simple. If you're looking for a reliable, no-fuss baking pan that makes post-meal cleanup a breeze, this is the one for you. What people say. Fits perfectly, and the non-stick surface is a lot better than the original pan. This pan is perfect for most toaster ovens, and it has an easy-to-clean, non-stick surface. Beautifully non-stick. So happy we got this pan, now we don't have to go out and get a whole new toaster. Number 3. Reusable Toaster Oven Air Fryer Liners. Tired of scrubbing grease and sticky residue from your appliances? These liners keep your baskets and racks perfectly clean, making post-cooking cleanup effortless. Enjoy a wider range of recipes without worrying about messy pans or racks. These liners ensure a clean cooking surface every time, so you can focus on the delicious results. Never lose small food items again. Our mesh liners prevent anything from falling through the rack, ensuring nothing goes to waste. These mats are designed for repeated use and are completely dishwasher safe. Simply toss them in after use for a quick and easy clean. Unlock the full potential of your appliance with our included recipe and instruction booklet. Discover delicious new ways to use your liners and create amazing meals. What we like. These perforated mats are designed to allow air to circulate evenly, ensuring your food cooks perfectly while keeping your appliance spotless. They increase your cooking options by allowing you to prepare various dishes without worrying about grease or residue. If you're a beginner or looking for inspiration, the included recipe booklet makes this an excellent choice for expanding your culinary horizons. What people say. The air fryer basket is a perfect fit for my Cuisinart air fryer. It's easy to clean and doesn't stick. The quality of the material is good and it feels durable. Number 2. Cuisinart TOA 6065 Stainless Steel Air Fryer Accessories. Elevate your cooking experience with our premium air fryer accessories. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, they are built to last. Designed specifically for your Cuisinart TOA 60 and TOA 65 air fryers, these accessories ensure a perfect fit and optimal performance. Achieve perfectly crispy results every time. The mesh design allows for 360-degree heat circulation, ensuring your food is cooked evenly without burning. Enjoy peace of mind with our non-toxic and tasteless materials. They are highly resistant to high temperatures and durable for years of use, producing no harmful chemicals. Cleaning up is a breeze. These accessories are corrosion-resistant and completely dishwasher-safe, making post-meal cleanup quick and easy. We are committed to providing high-quality products. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. What we like. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, this basket and tray set is built for durability and safe high-temperature use. The mesh design promotes 360-degree circulation heating for crispy results. If you prioritize healthy, durable materials and want to achieve perfectly crispy food with easy dishwasher cleanup, this set is an excellent investment for your Cuisinart air fryer. What people say. The non-stick coating is excellent and makes cleanup a breeze. It fits perfectly in my Cuisinart air fryer and cooks food evenly. The sturdy construction feels durable and built to last. Number 1. WMKGG 11-inch air fryer toaster oven tray set. Introducing the perfect baking companion for your kitchen. This set of 2 trays is designed to fit your regular oven and toaster oven, offering versatility for all your cooking needs. Enjoy mess-free cooking with our thick border design. The fully rimmed edge effectively prevents spills, ensuring your oven stays clean while promoting even heat distribution for perfect results. Crafted from premium heavy carbon steel, these trays ensure durability and fast, even heat distribution. Achieve uniform browning and enjoy worry-free baking as they are designed to never warp or bend. To maintain their quality, we recommend hand washing these trays. Avoid using sharp objects or abrasive cleaners, and ensure they cool completely before washing for lasting performance. We are confident in the quality of our product. If you're not completely satisfied with its construction or performance, our excellent customer service team is here to assist you. Each tray measures 11 by 9 by 1.15 inches on the outside, with inside dimensions of 10.3 by 8.3 by 1 inch. Please measure your appliance before purchasing to ensure the best fit. What we like. This set includes 2 non-stick baking pans made from premium heavy carbon steel, offering durability and fast, even heat distribution. The thick, fully rimmed border effectively prevents spills, keeping your oven clean. If you need versatile baking sheets for both regular and toaster ovens and appreciate a design that prevents messes, this set of 2 is a practical and reliable option. What people say. Durable and good quality. They work great for cookies in the toaster over, no need for pan spray and the cookies don't stick. These are heavy duty, doesn't warp at all, easy to clean, food does not stick. I recommend 100%. Great. Easy to clean and fits in my large air fryer with room to spare. Prevents grease droppings and holds good amount of food. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.